together.
Hey guys, it's Rina. So this is the workshop view that we went through Killing Me by iKON last Tuesday and Thursday in my K-pop workshop in Arizona. We went through only the first chorus part, which was 4 sets of 8 counts, which has less than 20 seconds. But we still spent a whole 1 hour workshop time to get all of the choreographies. The choreography was so fun and so was the workshop. Everyone did a good job. If you want to learn the choreographies, I have another video for the tutorial, so make sure to scroll down, find the URL on the description, and let's dance together. Please give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and follow my social media as well. Alright, have fun guys, and see you in the next video.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step, 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 yeah. Sorry.
Together.